go.
Hello, we are Team 1 and this is our medical anesthesia delivery system. Today we'll be demonstrating our final product and how to operate it. The first step would be to turn it on with using a power button here. You will be greeted with a welcome screen on the left and a button key for these four: up, down, back, and enter. So they light up when they have a function when you press them. So first thing to do would be to choose your syringe size. As you can see here, this is a 60cc syringe. We can press enter and choose that one and confirm our choice. Right now it's detecting the handheld, but of course there's nothing plugged in, so the next step would be to set up the system as a whole. Rene is holding the handheld device, which connects to our control box here. And the next thing would be the pressure transducer, which is there. So you confirm the syringe size, press enter once more, and this time when it detects the handheld, it will confirm that there is indeed something connected. The other step would be the pressure transducer. This is a disposable Transpac 4 medical transducer that connects to the side of our control box as well. And the next step would be to set up the syringe. So everything connects via lure lock, which is very convenient. You set the syringe down, secure it here, and you purge out any air that might be in the sensor. Now that it's open, you prime the needle by injecting it and getting rid of any air that might be in the tubing. This is prompted by this menu here. Now, the next thing to do would be to set the injection height, number 2. This sets the reference height for the pressure readings, and the next thing would be to press the tare button, which zeroes the volume and sets the reference height. After that, you can inject. As of right now, we're injecting into atmosphere, so Rene will...
I'm going to come around you so that they can see the pressure.
Rene will inject into atmosphere, and you will see that the pressure reading should hover around 0 psi. He is increasing the flow rate, and yet it continues to hover around 0 psi as intended. And the maximum flow rate is 1 cc per second infusion. You can see on the left the volume being dispensed and the pressure on the right. Rene will now inject into this fruit to show you the difference in the pressure readings when you're injecting into atmosphere and when you're injecting into a closed body. So in the same way that you would inject into a subject, the pressure in the body is, as of right now, 0.6 psi, and so he will commence the injection. And because it is a closed body, you see the expected increase in pressure. Some of the fluid is escaping the body as of right now, but for the most part, it is representative of the pressures encountered inside of that fruit. And that concludes our demonstration. You see on the left the volume dispensed and the pressures encountered. Thank you for listening.